Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Whizz Kids Online. My name is Amarachi and today we're going to be making a Fizz Inflator. So what I have with me today, I have some vinegar, I also have a plastic bottle, I have a small balloon, and I have some baking soda. Awesome. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pour around a half a cup of vinegar into the plastic bottle. So you just want to get that into the bottle. And if you make a mess, that's totally fine. You can clean it up right after. So don't stress too much about that. Awesome. So next what we're going to do is we're going to grab our balloon and we're just going to stretch it out a little bit so that the funnel can actually fit into the balloon. And then you're going to get your funnel. You're going to put that into your balloon. Make sure it's on nicely. And then we're going to get around half a tablespoon of baking soda. And we're just going to pour that right into the balloon. And if it doesn't go in, you can give it a little bit of a shake, just so it can go in. And try not to use too much baking soda or your balloon could either pop or it could explode. And you don't really want that. Awesome. So once you've done that, you want to put the neck of your balloon onto the neck of the water bottle. And make sure that the baking soda doesn't actually fall into the vinegar just yet. So once you've secured that on, you can grab your balloon and you can lift it up so that the baking soda can fall right in. And then you see as it starts to inflate. So basically what's happening is the baking soda and the vinegar are creating an acid-base reaction which releases a gas called carbon dioxide. And gases need spaces to move. So what's happening is it's going through the balloon and it's filling the balloon up with air. And that's why it's inflating. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me today on this episode of Whizz Kids Online. I really hope you enjoy trying this out at home and see you next time.